This feeling we get when we go to a completely new place was just something that we were desperately looking for throughout this whole pandemic situation. This is a short travel video of me and my friend Subhojit from January 2021 when we were on vacation in Jaipur. So guys, finally we have found a hotel and we are now heading out to explore some nearby places. I guess Chandpol and the area around that market we will explore. So yes, let's head out. We are not gonna travel with rickshaw walas because earlier in the morning we got scammed by one rickshaw wala. He told us that he will take us to a marketplace, but then he took us to directly a shop and dropped it there, and there was no market at all. There was only one shop, and maybe he will get commission if we buy something from that shop. So that was our first camp in Jaipur. Now we are feeling like we are in Jaipur by looking at this shop, and all the structure is painted in I think it was pink, but some oxidization or some chemical reaction may have turned this pink walls into orange pink. So guys, here is the day 2 at Jaipur, and today guys we are going to explore Nahargarh Fort. We will try to catch metro from here, and we are going Chandpol, and from Chandpol we are heading by walking distance to Nahargarh Fort. I don't know guys you are able to see or not, but look at those guys. They are there only to collect the kites. क्या भाई, क्या काम करते हो यहाँ पे?
हम पतंग लूटते इधर।
पतंग लूटते हैं। इतने सारे पतंग आपने काट लिए हैं ना अभी तक। कहाँ पे रहते हो आप यहाँ पे?
हम इधर रहते हैं।
तो इस एरिया का नाम क्या है?
पुरानी बस्ती। मीना इधर की साइड रहते हैं, हरिजन उधर की साइड रहते हैं और मोमडन उधर रहते हैं।
अच्छा, ये सारे कास्ट है आपके यहाँ पे?
हाँ, 3 कास्ट रहती है इधर।
It looks like they used to store water here, but they also have stairs like some concert hall or something. Let's see on roof. So guys, here are we in Jaipur again, and it's day 3, so it's going to be a long day again. And we have just ordered here gatta masala. I don't know what exactly it is, but let me show you. So you can see this is metro station, but it is not much crowded as it used to be in Mumbai. You can see there aren't any people, and I don't know why people just don't use metros here. They just like to travel with rickshaws and all, bus and public transport. Here comes our metro. Badi Chowpat is our last station. So let's get into metro again. So guys, here are we at Amer Fort. Oh, look at this creep. Okay. So now guys, we are at base of Amer Fort, and now we are heading towards what we call stairs, and try to get some better view of Amer Fort and as well as Jaigarh. So guys, here are we at Jal Mahal, and you can see all the local market here. Going to eat this papad. I was wondering everyone selling that papad, and I thought that maybe I should buy one and try one. So let's try. It's like kurdai. In Marathi there is papad just like this. We call it kurdai. You can see Jal Mahal right behind me, but here you can see market full of local things, Rajasthani things. The thing is guys, no matter how much you run or how much you travel or climb, you just don't feel tired here, you know. The weather is so pleasing. It's now I guess 15 or 14 degrees Celsius. So guys, here's our day 4 in Jaipur, and we are again at metro station. And today now guys, we are going to visit City Palace and Hawa Mahal, I guess.
In the Sawai Bhavani Singh building, just opposite the Bharat Mahal, you can see the photograph of the reception here with foreign guests.
So guys, here we are in City Palace, and we have bought audio guide with us. So audio guide is basically guys, they provide us with a mobile phone and an application installed in, and you just have to walk towards these kind of signs, like it has written 2 on it, and then just you will have to play the second number playlist and it will start guiding us. So it is like virtual guide too. Jantar Mantar, guys. So we just came out of City Palace and went for Jantar Mantar. That is just opposite to City Palace. And we were unable to capture anything inside City Palace because we were not allowed to do photography or any kind of recording stuff inside.
The Jantar Mantar is a collection of 19 astronomical instruments that were built by Rajput King Savai Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur.
Here we have Bhoyali Marg.
After 4 days in Jaipur, we ended up our trip at this beautiful relaxing place called Gaitur Ki Chhatriya. There were also a lot to explore, but at most of the places we were not allowed to record videos